Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, job opportunity from Cognizant company, work location Hyderabad and Bangalore. So let's get started. First, Cognizant, voice process viewers, process executive position, work location Bangalore. In order to apply for this position, required qualification, graduate, exclusion, BE, BTech, MCE. For medical management, bachelor degree in nursing or any health science related field or any high school equivalent. Responsibilities: we need to deal with business and customers, data process, which includes provide highest level of customer satisfaction, maintain business control as per requirements, strive to understand, resolve issues and queries at the first instant, provide highest level of customer satisfaction. For medical management, business benefit coding, respond to data requests and generate client specified reports in timely manner, communicate in a manner which is understood by clients and end users. Work responsibility also includes claims, RCM, member services. In the sense, efficiently process predefined number of claims, enrollment as assigned with highest level of accuracy as agreed upon by the client. Voice process and as well as for claims in RCM and member services, our responsibility is make and answer calls to and from customers and users based upon agreed time frames. Transfer calls involving next level of services to appropriate department as per given guidelines. And even they clearly mention regarding project and process responsibilities like developing or develop a complete understanding of procedures, complete transaction for data preparation, submission, defined SOPs, 100% process adherence to transaction processing timelines, audit compliances of all process as laid out in the process document, set productivity, quality benchmark, candidate need to be flexible enough. We had rotational shifts, ensure to meet all statistical, financial, TAT matrix, security practices set by the organization where we need to follow, provide updates and submit reports related to own area of work, complete transactions, calls volume in a queue with specified turn around time. Good to have skills, accounts receivable, revenue cycle management, and mainly very importantly contribute to and participate proactively in knowledge sharing sessions, complete all mandatory assessment, certifications as applicable, individual goals with team objectives we need to achieve, participate and contribute to organizational activities, record own attendance and timesheet related data, build and maintain cross organization, company project teams, and fosters productive working relationship optimally, assigning tasks to team members. So they clearly mentioned what they are expecting from the candidates. Interested candidates, those who have done graduation, can apply for this position. I'm going to provide link in description. Next job notification from Cognizant, this time work location Hyderabad, executive positions. In order to apply for this position, candidates who have completed their degree in business, communication, human resources or related disciplines, equivalent work candidates can apply for this position. Business responsibilities includes business partnering, in the sense provide support appropriate related to recruiting content, in the sense manages difficult situations with hiring managers with assistance from senior recruiters. Job responsibilities include partner with sourcing team, candidate experience, understand candidate drivers and respond resolve queries through entire recruiting cycle. So basically candidate need to possess knowledge regarding recruitment cycle. Planning and organization, very importantly we need to solve issues timely by proper planning, plan weekend events effectively, ensure success around candidates, panel participation. Quality of hiring, which is primary responsibility of this role, in the sense administrating appropriate company assessments, like we need to know what company requirements, we need to follow up the interview process, and as well as we need to hire right candidate, offer and on bond, which includes candidate follow-up for onboarding process, interact with POFU team, generate and maintain reports on no no of offers and prospective joiners month on month. So every month we need to maintain, you know, process sheets and as well as number of people hired, complete details should be on papers. Cost per hire ratio, like obviously if we are hiring we need to maintain cost per hire ratio, adherence to hiring policies and the reflection of the same in candidate stakeholders conversation, negotiation in difficult situation and seek guidance as need to be. Networking knowledge regarding leverage various opportunities to build Cognizant brand, especially good understanding of hire or any applicant tracking system as per hiring process. Job is officially posted on March 9, 2021. Day shift job, both Bangalore and Hyderabad. Official notification from Cognizant Company, which is posted on March 9, 2021. Interested candidates can apply for this position. I'm going to provide two important links in description. Through link you can apply particular position if it is matches to your profile. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please to like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. Thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews. Please to subscribe Adira Job Creation YouTube channel. Hit bell icon to receive all latest job updates time to time.